We are finally moving. Tell me why I woke up today and this house has been robbed again. I need to get out of here. Like, I need to get out of here right now. But there's so much to do. I have to pack, to give away some things. I have to do a lot of things before I go. And about intuition. And those things are so true. Because tell me what, yesterday I felt so uneasy the whole night. Like I felt like how I felt when I was robbed the first time. And then I wake up and then my landlord has been robbed. Me, I hear pain in her voice. Then we dance. So we are currently cleaning, trying to get everything out. I'm selling this. Let me show you guys. This I bought this. I bought this because when I came here there wasn't enough space for me to put my cookware and stuff. So I bought this. I also bought the island because at that time it fits in. Oh, I'm so tired. It fits in what I was trying to do, but it looks like I would have to sell it because this is not gonna fit anywhere in my house. Unfortunately, the kitchen is already fitted. There isn't enough space for me to put this there because it already has like cabinets and everything. Unlike this one. I don't want to sell it, but I look like either I have to give it away or sell it. But this thing, I spent so much money on it, so I might actually sell it. Let me show you guys the chaos. Yeah, there's a lot of chaos. So much that has to be done before I move. I don't have any strength at all. Like, it's so crazy. We are finally moving. Finalizing all the packing today. We are moving tomorrow. So I'll show you what I've done so far and how it's been going. This is where I keep all the things I bring. So the bed has been dismantled. My cookware, I was not able to get any boxes, so I'm going to keep them like this. Hopefully the truck is big enough. Guys, see. I don't know how I have so many things. This is not even half of everything I have. How crazy is that? Yeah, this is the bed. I still haven't gotten anyone to come and pick this up. I don't know what to do. Yeah, everything. So one of the rooms have been cleared. Like, everything is gone. There's even an echo here. Cleaned everything. That should show you we are going. Whilst packing, I got an email that my book cover is ready, and guys, it's so lovely. I cannot wait to show you guys what we have worked on. It's been months and months of intense working, from writing, editing. The illustration alone, the illustration part was crazy. A lot of reverts, a lot of back and forth. But the team has done an amazing work. Like, they've done so wonderful, and I cannot wait to show you guys what we worked on. So yes, I had to check my email to see what they've done. I still had a few reverts because working with Viviana, if you worked with Viviana before, you know she wants nothing but the best. Yes, I know my team is great, my publisher is great, but then there are still a few concerns I had that we had to work on. Like, the font was amazing. They chose a font that I loved, but the placement, I was not really happy with the placement. So we discussed a few options and then a few things. This year, good news, giant, plenty money. The plenty money part is the only thing I remember. Gotta follow. Everything I'll be wanting, manifesting for my life. So, wait, where is soda? Should I leave the video in the kitchen? Okay, this is much better. Should I do my makeup here? I think so. So, as you all know, I do my makeup myself. Primer. Today was finally the day that we moved from the apartment, the old one to the new one, and I was having mixed feelings, right? I was excited for a new chapter because this old place has tested me in so many ways that I did not want to be tested, and I was just praying that God, as I move into a new place, I want it to be the beginning of new things because
2025 showed me too much pepper. I don't want to see any pepper again. I just want to see flowers and roses. I couldn't move in the morning because I had to go and do a photo shoot. In fact, I was supposed to move the previous day, but because of the photo shoot, I decided to wait, finish it off, and then come here. So here was I getting ready, doing my makeup, getting my hair done. So I did my makeup, I did my hair. At this point, I'm my own glam team. And then I put everything together to get ready for the photo shoot. It was like a 30-minute section, not too much. For my book launch, for so those who are new here, I'm writing a book, a children's book, and it's launching end of the month. So I'm doing a lot of preparations to get it ready.
This is the final look, and I think I got very close to the inspo.
If I tell you that everything that was supposed to go wrong at a photo shoot went wrong, I got there very late because the person that was supposed to print it didn't print it, said they had no paper. I got there and the hair that I had done, as I was trying to restyle it, the ponytail came off. So I had to quickly try and put something together. So the style was a bit different from what I went with. I find what I give you what you need. I know what you like. I really coming. Time is not the essence. I try to need you, but I need some love. The wrap. I just came back from the shoot and I had to quickly lie down and take a nap because I did not like how I was feeling. We're coming to pack our stuff. If I want to leave, I have to leave as soon as possible because if it gets to 3, 4 thereabouts, the fare is going to be very expensive. You have to get there and at least arrange the bedroom for where we sleep tonight because tomorrow the cleaners will come. The cleaning company will come and do like the first deep cleaning. Then we can start arranging the stuff. Guys, I am tired. Guys, I have officially opened boyfriend applications for 2026 because when I tell you how tired I was from arranging all the stuff, taking all the stuff like the fridge, the stove, all these things outside so that the cargo driver could carry them. We are grateful that we even got someone who was so good to carry the stuff because you were on the first floor. So imagine all these things like the mattress, the TV, there's no TV yet, the fridge, the stove, all those things being carried from the top floor to the. We finally got home. The truck driver helped us unload everything. Guys, we kept some things outside because the next day was cleaning. So I found it. I found no reason for us to bring everything inside and send it back the next day, which was extra work. Amen. Yeah, that's the new Bible. Amen. Amen. Guys, when they say don't settle, when they say don't settle for that job, don't settle for that relationship, don't settle for, like, don't just settle for anything. It is so true because yesterday I slept like a baby. I know this place is not perfect. I mean, no place is actually very perfect, but this is way better. And I actually paid lesser than, I mean, it's not cheap. I paid lesser than most of what I was getting for the same thing, right? And look at how quiet it is. I'm filming and there's no car parking, there's no car moving, like, bro. And the kitchen looks good. The house is so cute. Like, the other place I went to was far too big for a single person who was moving for the first time. I would admit I moved in a rush and in a haste, and I would never do that again. That's why this time like I'm going to take my time and tick all the boxes before I pay for anything. So yeah, today is first day of living in an apartment. Okay, so I have to put down the date I came, which is 6th of February, when I signed the contract. Today I'm gonna get this place cleaned. So I have such amazing community. I had 8 cleaning companies offer to clean here for me for free, which is amazing. I mean, I can't use all 8, so I got one brand that will be coming over very soon. What I have at this place is that, unfortunately, the house is built in such a way that it's 2, right? So one has, the one on the other side has all the sunlight. Where I am, there's another building that kind of covers it. So it's like I don't get all the sunlight, so I have to invest in light, and that's the only issue I have here. So even with my living room and then the kitchen, the lighting is not so strong because there's another building that blocks the light. My bedroom is fine. Like there's so much light in my bedroom, so I just have to figure out the lighting issue, and we are good to go. So don't worry, guys. I'll give you a proper tour when they are cleaning. They are done. I'll give you like an empty room tour, show you where everything is, how everything is looking like, and what the plan is for setting up the place. You can also give me some ideas because I really need ideas when it comes to the hall. The way it is planned, I'm a bit of what I can do, what I want to do. So yeah, thank you so much for coming on this journey with me. It's been a long journey, and I'm going to be showing up here more because I really want to document my life this year because I didn't document my life at all last year. There's nothing to show what I went through, the trials and tribulations I went through in 2025. But this year, I know it's going to be a good year, and so I'm going to document it so that I can really show myself what a good year can look like.
I had to quickly get ready to go and view the Aiya Residences. I got an invitation for a private tour with some ladies, and I was super excited because have you seen the Aiya Residence? You guys, it's much more beautiful in person than even on social media, and I was just really inspired. I was picking some ideas for my own space. The outdoor space is unbelievable. It's unreal. Like it does not look as like it looks way better in person than on camera, 100%. The whole experience was very beautiful, getting to meet all these beautiful, wonderful ladies, talking to them, everybody sharing their stories, getting to interact with Hayet, and getting to understand the inspiration behind the rooms, and the building itself was truly amazing, and it was very inspiring. But I quickly had to go back and check on the work that was being done by the cleaners. When I came back, they were almost done, and the space was looking so beautiful, guys. Everything was looking so clean. The team did a very amazing job, and this, guys, is the review of my apartment. Fast forward, this is day 2 at the apartment. This is Sunday. It was a chill day. I didn't really do much. I just got up and I was lounging in bed. I did a few edits. I worked on some of the edits, and then I went to get some ingredients to make some food because I'm living with my niece and I have to feed her. If left to me, I'll probably be in bed the whole day. But living with someone means that, you have to think about them and all that. So I made some angwamo because she loves angwamo, and then we ate it. So I'm going to post this recipe on my Instagram and TikTok perhaps. But yeah, this is what we had. And I didn't really record anything today, but this is how my week went. I am hoping and looking forward to creating more vlogs, weekly vlogs and all of that. But if you like this video, please leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe, and come back for more. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.